Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. When all the flowering cherries have finished, next come the lilacs, and lilacs are fantastic and fragrant. Now, there's an excellent variety, it's around a long time. It's a variety called Buchner. It's purple with a little hint of white, very strongly fragrant, of course flowers in late spring and early summer every year. This plant will grow roughly 2 meters and a bit high, and it'll have a crown on top about 1 meter across. You can grow it in a pot or container, but I like it out in open ground. Now this is the time of year to plant lilac, and Buchner is one well worth planting. Now you think a decent sized planting hole, you put some super thrive at the very bottom. It's well compost and soil on top, and the same back and around. It will need a little stake or strap as well. Any growth that comes in the stem here, take it away, because what you're looking for is this gorgeous Buchner lilac on top of this stem. Rarely happens, but if any growth comes here, take it away. So Buchner can be planted from now. It's a lovely, fragrant, reliable lilac, purple with a little hint of white. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.